Good morning. Welcome to Crochet Rocks. I nearly said Rocks Chat. It's a bit of a force of habit when I say good morning. Anyway, welcome to Crochet Rocks. I have some happy mail. When I got home last night, we've been out, and I arrived home, it was waiting for me. Got rid of the address so you can see what it is. So yeah, I thought, oh, I don't remember ordering anything. And then when I picked it up and I saw the document on the back, I realised it's happy mail all the way from the USA. So I'm going to see if I can open this without a kerfuffle, because sometimes it's a bit difficult to open. But this one, I've got a feeling might be easy. So where's my neckline? Because I want to have a little look on the back first. There's probably a thing inside that tells me who it's from, but I think it's on here. It's from Julie Batten. Oh, that is so sweet. Thank you so much. Right, okay, let's see if we can. Oh, I said I was going to get in it easy. Maybe not. So while you're waiting for me to do this, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and hopefully you'll be informed when new videos pop up. I'm gonna have to cut it all the way along. I thought this would be easy to do, but no. At least I've not cut myself, which is a bit of an improvement of late. I seem to have cut myself rather a lot lately. Oh, just when I thought I'd finished with packaging. There's more. Wow, it's well taped as well, so there's nothing else in the box, no card in there, so everything is in this package. Now, feels like a mug, does feel like a cup, it does. I've got it, it feels like a handle, guys. More scissor action. Wow, this is taped, man. It's like Christmas though, you know. Gary always tapes well. Gemma, she's the one that throws paper around it and then tapes it all over, so it looks like a big ball of tape. And isn't it? No. Oh, I got in there then. Oh, I don't want to damage anything or me. All kind of in. I don't know if I can. Oh yeah, sort of in. To reveal more packaging. Really? Well, I guess it was coming a long way and didn't want it to break. Oh heck. This is fun. It's looking at the top of my head and the grimace and struggle. Okay, so it's, remember Pass the Parcel when you was a kid? And the music would stop and you think it's going to be me this time, and it, oh, now maybe another layer. Some other kid would always get it. I think this is the last layer. I think. Now I'm making sure that I'm only cutting through the flap. I can't get in there. Oh, I managed that bit. Only on one side though. One side may be all I need. I'm in. I'm through to wrapping. But this one's just wrapped round. Workout, wasn't it? Okay, so there's a card. It's a Diddy card, but it's cute. Look at that. And it just says Tracy. And it's got fishy on it. Look, it's got fishy. Little fishy card. Oh, wow. Hang on. I won't read it all out because it might embarrass. Okay. So this is from Julie Batten, North Carolina. NC, North Carolina, I want to say. Whenever I see it NC, I think of New York City, but then that's NYC. It's a huge mug, guys. Ah! She said that when she saw this, she instantly thought of Crochet Rocks. You rock! Look at the size of it. This is going to be my new mug when I'm really thirsty. It's going to be my mug. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Thank you so much. I like it because it's got a really irregular shape. You know, it's kind of not round. It's unusual. Isn't that cool? So where's this from? Let's have a look. Ray Dunn. Artisan Collection by Magenta. One of my favourite colours is magenta, but obviously it's not a colour. Isn't that cool? I love it. Thank you very much. That is so... I'm going to be drinking out of that on my Rocks chats in the morning because it's going to last me. Be probably cold by the time I get to the bottom with me chatting away, but isn't it great? Thank you very much. I love it. It's so sweet. I haven't had Happy Mail for a while, so when I saw it there, I thought, oh, somebody loves me. Somebody loves me. Thank you very much. I really love it. Cheers, guys. I'm going to go fill it up. Stay safe, everyone. Bye for now.